Ladies, I have an awesome recipe for you. If you are craving the muffins, you know, drinking your coffee, having that super sweet treat, this one is for you. It is a high fiber, protein, super sweet muffin. Blueberry muffins, but you can put whatever fruit you want in it. Let's get to it. You're gonna start off with 1 cup of oats. You can buy oat flour, but you can also make your own, which is pretty sweet, save a little money, right? So you can blend it any way you want. You can put it in a blender, processor, whatever gets it blending. So we're just gonna make it flour-like. I've already pre-done it. You can do whatever you can find, or you can do Bob's Red Mill, which is actually down the street from here. Pretty cool. And you're gonna drop it in. All right, and then you're gonna take 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Pop that in. There you go. And then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can measure it, or you can just, you know, shake it. Oh, that's fine, I forgot. I just got this. I forgot it takes forever to get out. That's about 1/4, right? All right, but we're not doing butter for this one. We're gonna do yogurt. So it is more protein in there. I can't talk. Protein. And we're gonna do about a 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. I'm not used to this little measuring thing. All right, that's about right. All right, so I'm gonna put the wet ingredients in 1 container, the dry ingredients in the other, okay? So we'll just pop it in there like that. You're gonna do about a 1/2 cup of milk of your choice. And I would go with whatever you crave. Like, so if you want coconut flavor, go with coconut. If you can do nuts, you can do almond, which is what I'm doing today. You can do a seed, you can do whatever milk you want. It doesn't matter. Okay, so 1/2 cup. Just making sure I got that right. I'm definitely one of those people that I just kind of put it in, eyeball it. So I'm trying to stick to the recipe here for you guys. All right, and then we have, I knew I was missing something. We need the eggs and the sugar, right? So again, keeping it separate. We're gonna do an egg. I'm going to, let's blend that baby. There we go. I hope 2 eggs can fit in there. All right, so you're gonna get 2 eggs. I like the brown ones just because they're more, they're richer, and they're so good. You can get the water ones if you want. I mean, it really doesn't matter. All right, so, I mean, the brown egg ones do have a little bit more nutrition in it. All right, so we got the 2 brown. Oh my gosh, those yolks are so tiny. They're like babies. They're so tiny. All right, so this is my first cooking video, so don't judge me. All right, normally doing this by myself with some rockin' music. All right, so we're gonna blend it. Wow, that is super orange. I love orange, by the way. So pretty. All right, we're gonna set that aside, and then we're gonna have the sugar. Always combine the sugar with the eggs together, okay? Since we're not doing butter, we'll blend this guy, the yogurt, and you can put it in the blender. I mean, I don't wanna say I'm lazy, but I just, less steps, right? Less steps. All right, so we got that part. Now we're gonna add the vanilla. All right, now today I'm gonna do almond, okay? So you can do whatever brand you want. It can be the cheap one, it can be the organic. I just bought these today because, you know, I wanted something, I felt it was special because we're doing a video together. So, if you don't want to do almond, you can do orange. Doesn't have to be nut. It can be whatever other flavor you want. So the first one is vanilla. You're gonna do a 1.5. If I can get it open. Oh my God. Okay, I had the husband help me there. Ugh, that was a brutal one. Okay, and I got to get the lid off. It's gonna taste so good. Oh my gosh. So you're gonna put 1.5. I'm gonna put this in with the eggs, and then just half of that almond, 1/4. I'm trying to focus here. I'm trying to do this right. All right, so here we go. Little dash of the second one, okay? To your flavoring of liking. 1/2 cup of, there it is, of milk. All right. Before it falls on me. All right. If I can see, half. Boop. Okay, and we're gonna put it in with wet ingredients. Okay. All right, we are almost there. So we can mix a little bit of the wet into the sugar. I need one more bowl. What am I gonna do? We are gonna do this. All right. So the eggs in here. And then the sugar. This is, by the way, I already forgot to tell you, this is Monk Sweetener. This is new to me. I'm excited to try it. So you can do whatever sweetener you want to keep those sugar levels so you're not spiking as you're eating your muffin. We're just gonna put this together now. The best part. We're gonna do the flour, right? Woo. And then we're gonna add the wet ingredients and then we'll add this together. Do that now. All right, so then we're gonna create a little pocket. And then we're gonna slowly stir it in because you don't want it to overmix, otherwise it's not gonna be fluffy. We want it fluffy, right? So you're just gonna go like that. And you just slowly bring in the flour. And it's looking nice and pretty. Getting it in there. We're almost ready for the blueberries. So, oh, it smells so good. Oh, you didn't see that, you didn't see that. I'm gonna be eating these, nobody else. This is the best part. You're gonna fold in the blueberries, if I can remember where I put them. Right here. And you can use frozen blueberries, you can use regular blueberries. If you really want to go for the nutrients, you can go with wild blueberries. I like the idea of high nutrients with the wild blueberries, but I really love the big ones because they pop, right? You get them in your mouth, and they're so good. Okay, ready? Like that, and you just, you know. Oh my gosh, I didn't fully stir this all the way. Okay, you didn't see that, right? You're just gonna kind of work with it. Maybe that happens to you too. All right. Okay, so now we're gonna fold a little bit more. So basically you're gonna put about 2 1/4 cup of blueberries into your batter. And just fold it in. Need a bigger bowl, but that's okay. All right, so your oven is to 350 and you're gonna be baking these for 375, shoot. Does it say how long to cook it? 30 minutes, because I know how good it's gonna taste when it's done. So here's a tip for you, if you don't know this one yet, is to get a scooper. And that way they're evenly dispersed, okay? I'm lazy. I don't wanna clean these after I'm done, so I went with nonstick. I hate cleaning muffin pans, so I went with nonstick, and then I put in a liner. And then because it's silicone, I have a pan underneath so you can actually work with it. So you're just gonna scoop it in so they're even and they're gonna be beautiful. Check it out. So good. So poppin' blueberries. Yes, sugar. It's dense. It'll fill you up. It is so good. All right. So these are cooling down, so they're not gonna quite be fluffy yet. They're just gonna be melting, as you can tell. Oh, hot. And oh my gosh, I can't wait to eat it. You'll never know that these are healthy. They have Greek yogurt, fiber, so much fiber. I will let you know how much fiber they are. I'll figure that out for you, but it's dense and it'll definitely satisfy. Enjoy, let me know what you think. Gotta try it.